Are you tired of paying for expensive cable only to realize you can get thousands of channels for free with just a few clicks? Imagine having access to global news, sports, and entertainment all in one simple app without any monthly bills. I am going to show you exactly how to set up a massive IPTV playlist and where to find the best working links right now. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we are talking about how to access over 10,000 free channels using IPTV playlists. This is a great way to watch international content and local stations legally using public links. These playlists work by connecting your media player to live streams that are already available for free on the internet. To get started, you will need a good IPTV player app. If you are on a phone or a smart TV, I recommend using TVMate or IPTV Smarters Pro. If you are using a computer, VLC Media Player is the best and easiest choice for most users. Once you have your app installed, you just need to copy an M3U playlist link and paste it into the Add Playlist section of your player. All the channel links I am talking about are given in the description below. Please check all the links and try the working ones because sometimes free links can go down or need a refresh. I have gathered the most stable public sources that are updated daily by the developer community to give you the best experience possible. If you experience any buffering, here is a quick tip. Go into your player settings and change the buffer size to large, or try switching your DNS to Google's address, which is 8.8.8.8. Also, remember that some channels are region locked, so using a VPN can help you unlock even more content from different countries. Don't forget that these free lists are maintained by volunteers, so if a link stops working, simply try the next one from the list. It is always a good idea to have 2 or 3 different playlists loaded in your app so you always have a backup for your favorite shows. If this video helped you save money and get more channels, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. We are always here to help you get the most out of your technology. Stay connected, and I will see you in the next one.